Only one ballot box was used for the poll, which was sealed immediately after the close of poll at 5 p.m. in the presence of the authorized representatives of the contesting candidates and election observers. The counting of votes commenced at 6 p.m. The ballot box was opened in the presence of the authorized representatives of the contesting candidates, election observers, and the counting officers, whom I had appointed to assist me in counting of votes. The ballot papers taken out were first scrutinized. The valid and invalid ballot papers and one postal ballot paper was also received, were segregated, and the valid ballot papers were distributed according to the first preference vote secured by each candidate. The postal ballot has been treated as returned and cancelled, as the elector declined to cast his vote. 767 votes were polled, out of which 752 were valid and 15 were invalid. The quota sufficient to get a candidate elected as vice president was determined by dividing the total number of first preference votes secured by both the candidates by 2 and then adding 1 to the quotient. The said quota was 377. As all of you are aware, the value of votes for the presidential election is 1. Shri Bucci Reddy Sudarshan Reddy has secured 300 first preference votes and Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan has secured 452 first preference votes. As the first preference vote secured by Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan was greater than the requisite quota, in pursuance of provisions contained in Section 11 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Elections Act 1952, 31 of 1952, read with Rule 35 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Rules 1974, I, P.C. Modi, the returning officer for the Vice Presidential Election 2025, hereby declare that Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, Jal Bhushan Raj Bhavan, Walkeshwar Road, Malabar Hill, Mumbai, has been duly elected to the office of Vice President of India. The result is being sent to the Election Commission of India and the Ministry of Law and Justice as per the extant provisions under Section 12 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Act 1952 and Rule 35 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Rules 1974. Overall, the 17th Vice Presidential election was conducted in a free, fair and orderly manner. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the candidates and their authorized representatives for their cooperation, which facilitated early completion of the proceedings. श्री बुच्ची रेड्डी सुदर्शन रेड्डी को 300 प्रथम वरीयता के मत प्राप्त हुए और श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन को 452 प्रथम वरीयता के मत प्राप्त हुए। चूंकि श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन को अपेक्षित कोटे से अधिक वरीयता के मत प्राप्त हुए, इसलिए राष्ट्रपतीय और उपराष्ट्रपतीय निर्वाचन नियम 1974 के नियम 35 के साथ पठित राष्ट्रपतीय और उपराष्ट्रपतीय निर्वाचन अधिनियम 1952 की धारा 11 के अंतर्विष्ट उपबंधों के अनुसरण में मैं पीसी मोदी उपराष्ट्रपतीय निर्वाचन 2025 के निर्वाचन अधिकारी एतद द्वारा घोषित करता हूं कि श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति के पद पर विधिवत निर्वाचित हुए हैं। धन्यवाद।